Alright, this is going to be a walkthrough on how to start and stop websites and create a new one. So, we're going to start by looking at this site, and if you'll remember, localhost, currently set for port 80, it'll read the under construction. So, what we're going to do is we're going to temporarily turn off this site. You'll notice here that it is stopped. And we want to give it a port assignment of 8080. We're going to start it again, and it's now running. And if we hit local service 80, it won't load anything, whereas if we say local service at IP port 8080, it will bring up its normal things. Okay. So we're ready to go ahead and create a new website. This is number 5 of the current example. So we're going to go ahead and create a new website from scratch. We'll do it on E, and we're going to create a folder and call it Dover Corp website. And we're going to go back to Internet Information Services. We're going to say new website. We're going to say next, and we're going to say description of the new website, dovercorp.net. As the description, hit next. We're going to keep the defaults. So it's going to be localhost, or the IP of the machine, 80. And do we have a? We're not going to have a header file. We're going to say next. The path is going to be D or E. In this case, I put D and Dover Corp website. And I'm going to say next. We want to make sure that they have the ability to browse. That turns it on. They can read the scripts as ASP and browse it, so being able to actually get to it. And we'll say next and finish. Okay, so there's Dover Corp. And we verify that it exists, and so now we're going to go into our folder that we've created. Excuse me, not that folder. We're going to create a new text file, and we're going to call it index.html. Actually, we'll call it index.txt per number 17, and we're going to do some basic HTML script. And these are just tags, open and close. We're going to say title, dovercorp.net website. Excuse me. Close the title. Whoops. Body. It might behoove you to go ahead and create this before you actually do the exercise. Okay, and so we have the body, and we'll say horizontal rule, dovercorp.net website test. Close the H1 rule, the H header. And so it should look something like this. Open and close HTML document. We have a header, or the heading. Then we have a title. called dovercorp.net website, which will be the title screen. The title at the top of the page. We then have a body section, and we have a header for a paragraph or the page, whatever that's going to be, say that. So we're going to say save, and we're going to rename HTM. And are you sure you want to change it? Yes, and now it's an HTML document. And we're going to test. Localhost 80 brings up the new website we just created. So this pretty much shows you how you can create a new site. This pretty much concludes our walkthrough of activity 13-5, creating a new website using the website creation wizard.